Hey everyone, today we'll be making the banana crunch loaf. This recipe has two components, the banana loaf and the streusel topping. For the streusel topping, you will need the following dry ingredients. Half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated white sugar, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Mix all these ingredients until well combined. At this time, you have the option to add some finely chopped nuts to add more flavor and texture to the streusel crumbs. Next is we add 1/4 cup of melted butter. The use of melted butter provides more crunch to the streusel topping. Continue mixing until it resembles a shortbread dough. When done, chill this mixture until ready to use. And now let's prepare the quick and easy banana loaf recipe. For this, you will need to combine all wet ingredients. We have 2 cups of mashed overripe bananas, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 1 whole egg, and half a cup of corn oil. In the absence of sour cream, you can substitute this with 1/3 cup of heavy cream mixed with 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix all wet ingredients until well blended. Corn oil is the most preferred oil to be used in this recipe, although you can also use a regular vegetable oil or canola oil. Our wet mixture is ready. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, ½ cup of granulated white sugar,